Hey, so today we're back down at Physicians Regional Building in Naples. We just poured out some more panels this morning. This is on the east end of the slab. So the guys over here, we've already stripped out our cleats and they're working on the finishing operations. We're smooth finishing the interior of all of these panels. They started over here, worked around in this direction. So right now they're a little bit ahead of the game. They're letting it set up some. And as we come around onto this side, they're just now pulling up the cleats and stuff with the embed. Obviously, it's a mess when they first start out, but they're effectively, it's a timing thing. You just kind of got to watch it. And as the mud tightens up, you're able to work and move around. If everything goes real smooth, we just got done pouring out, let's say 9:30, 2:30 or so, should be a done deal. So FCU's working with us out here, been doing a great job cleaning up after themselves, and we do appreciate their help. You may recognize our fantastic casting bed from last week, so we did have to pull back to prep this pour. So today the guys are actually out here doing some layout. Rito Salas, my longtime superintendent, again, doing it. As we move further down towards the north end of the slab, west end, the guys are still in the processes. We filled up the swimming pool for them, free, no charge. So over here, this panel is basically ready to pour. They've got their embed set. These are some interior panels in the elevator. They're not as heavy with the embed plates. Still have a couple topside connection plates to go, but they're close. The rod busters will be moving in here next. Right now we're drying up the end panel. We got our man Gene spraying down the first coat of bond breaker in there, while these guys are out back tightening up some form work, putting in some bracing and some kickers and whatnot. These panels on this side still got a little ways to go. Got a 45-degree bevel down that end right there with a 3/4 inch radius detail that goes in there. So it's a little bit time consuming with that kind of a stuff. Down here on the end, by our cut station, got the panels that we poured out yesterday. Got our laborers working through, stripping everything out, getting it cleaned up. Kind of in a big process, counterclockwise around this job site. As we're cleaning up, we bring our materials with us and hopefully leave behind a suitable path for the crane, which will be here in 2 weeks. Not very long at all. So as you'll see in the drone video, this place changes pretty rapidly around here. We did install an additional casting bed day before yesterday. It's actually the last casting bed. So right now, nothing to it but to do it. We got quite a bit of work. It's a long road to hoe, so to speak, but it's nothing we can't handle. Right now, I'm working between 40 and 50 guys every day, averaging around 45. It varies, obviously. A lot of those guys are subcontractors, but it takes everybody. So we're working towards our goal, and hopefully we'll make it. See you next time.